Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, it's actually starting to get to be snow. Not a whole lot of it. Most of that is just stuff that I've thrown off the driveway. Nice thing about a snowblower. When I was pushing it with a snowplow, I'd end up with a 3-foot bank on both sides of the driveway. And I'd have to push it 5-6 feet away from the road, or away from the driveway, just so I had enough that by the end of the season I had a place to put the snow. Snow thrower, it just throws it out there 25-30 feet out into the yard, and not a problem. Actually, on this side, on the uphill side, or upwind side, because the wind's blowing in my face, facing southwest, I aim it so that it only goes about 10 feet. And it kicks it out there and makes the bank about 10 feet away from the driveway. So that little patch there along the edge of the drive takes a while to melt, but the rest of it, I don't have a problem at all with it. A little bit of sunshine tomorrow, I'll get bare spots on the driveway. I've already got a thin edge over there on the left-hand side. Right-hand side, I drove over the top of it, so it's got a little bit of a pack on it. But any sun at all, it'll start melting. I love the 8N, and I love the greater blade on it for moving snow. It was a lot of fun, but I got to tell you, snow thrower is easier on the body. Nowhere near as much lifting and tugging to get the thing hooked up onto the tractor. All I got to do is put it in gear, drive it out of the garage, and then put it in reverse and back it in. Pretty much a piece of cake. And having this face covering, got to be careful. I might be accused of being an ice agent, but does make it nicer here in the Michigan winters. So, all done. We go visit Lydia's doctors and see if we can't get her back fixed tomorrow. They're gonna do some ablative it's an ablative nerve treatment. They burn a small spot on the nerve that's causing all the pain, and it should last anywhere from 6 months to 18 months, 2 years. All depends on how well they do it and how it works out. Everybody's different. But I'm hoping that it's going to work for her, because she's a trooper and she puts up with a lot of pain, but it's miserable. I had that for 6 years. She's been on it now 3 years. So they've come up with new things. For me, the TENS unit made it go away. I'm hoping this does it for Lydia. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.